I think when we started the process, one of the things that we were really looking for was something that was high quality. And so we knew where we wanted to live. We knew sort of the neighborhood we wanted to live in. And so we looked through both of the model home options that were available, and we just could feel the character and the love that went into Bloomfield Homes, more so than we did with some of the other ones.
So we ended up going with the Carolina 2 floor plan that after we had looked through several different options between different Bloomfield models, that one was a big thing that we came through, that it checked all of our boxes. It's like it gave both of our kids their own spaces. It gave them a dedicated playroom that really fit with how we wanted our family to be able to live.
We really felt like we could see our, raising our family there and our girls being able to grow up in the houses. We particularly love on the windows, the little bookshelves on each side. That was a character piece that we really loved about a lot of the Bloomfield houses, is walking in and seeing, oh, we can see the girls being able to put their knickknacks here and have things. And so it was sort of that attention to detail and the care that really kind of brought it to us as this is where we want to build. Our first home was not high quality. We sort of came from a builder grade kind of starter home subdivision, and so when we were going through the process, we knew we wanted to find something that felt like it was going to last, because we were going to build a home that needed to last. And we've been moved in for probably 2 months now, and we just love it. We love being in the home and being able to see sort of the different pieces that we got to pick out and that were sort of part of our journey of creating something that's going to last a lifetime.